Sending money to PayPal from Payoneer is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, log in to the webpage paypal.com. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You need to send money to PayPal from Payoneer, so go to the Link a Bank section. So, this is where you have to connect the bank account you use for your business. Here, click on the Choose Your Bank button. As you can see, a list of bank names has appeared over here. Now, as per needed, type Payoneer over here in the search bar and make a search for it. Here, add routing number and bank number in the respective fields. After this, click on the button Agree and Link. Moving to another tab, you see you have to select Accept and Link. In the end, on the PayPal's confirmation page, enter the expected amount and accept the transfer from PayPal to Payoneer. So following these simple steps, you can send money to PayPal from Payoneer. Also, transferring money from Payoneer to PayPal can have several benefits, particularly if you need to manage funds across different platforms or if you prefer using PayPal for certain transactions. Sending money from Payoneer to PayPal provides flexibility in managing your funds across different platforms, especially if you have specific business or personal uses for PayPal.